When I begin to address Ghana, instantly the nation splits into two. Yeah, it will always split into two. It didn't start from now. The Bible even said in Matthew chapter number 7 and verse number 13 and 14, the Bible talks about the straight gate, the wide gate, the broad way, and the narrow way. It splits even the audience of judgment into two. Interestingly, in Matthew chapter number 25 verse number 1, he splits the virgins into two. He called one wise and the other group foolish. So he said there were 5 virgins, there were 10 virgins that took up their lamp to go and meet the bridegroom. 5 of them were foolish and 5 were wise. And so even the virgins, the moment he began to address them in that parabolical presentation, they were split into two. When you get to verse number 29 of the same chapter, the Bible made a submission and he said, for unto every one of us shall be given. Let's go to verse 30. The main point is in the 30th verse he said, and cast ye the unprofitable servant into the outer darkness, and there is going to be weeping and gnashing of teeth. In the 31st verse he said, when the Son of Man shall come in the glory, in his glory, and all the holy angels with him, the Bible said, then he will sit upon the throne of his glory. And the next verse said, and before him shall be gathered all nations, including America, Korea, Iran, including Russia, including Ghana, Nigeria, including Scandinavia, including all the nations of the world. The Bible said, and then he shall separate the nations into two, he as a shepherd does to goats and sheep. The nations, despite our glory and splendor and all that we have, the Bible says he is about to split us into two, just like a shepherd. It was so when he pan bano eba wonenu nyamwa wobebuabu amana meni na ewonenu wa papa ye musadia odwanhwefo papa enyan ene emponche emo. Even the nations which are going to be classified as goats and sheep. My question is running into which ones are Ghana?